This is Mamelodi Chapai channel. We are here at North Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns, North Polokwane City, North. Brother, how do you feel about the game today? Yeah, he gave me the intro. Yeah, so I was impressed. So they play according to the plan. It's just that we get a call, then the referee, the last minute is allowed it, then the rule offside. So I don't know, maybe because a VAR somewhere at the corner, they're hiding there. Only for Sundowns, right? Only for Sundowns. But if maybe you're watching the game, in Polokwane City, they were not here to play. You just come here and cut the pass. Yeah, they were here for a throw. You know, when it comes to Sundowns, also not part when you come here. You need to make sure that you execute your game plan wisely and make sure that whatever that you want to do it. Otherwise, yes, but strategies are as a beautiful reason. For the supporters they paid a lot of money to come and see the soccer. They were supposed to come out and play and not have the bus. And it's like a one-sided game. You understand? Yeah, because for us as supporters to come here, we came here to watch a game. Yes, to make sure that both teams must play. Yes, but sometimes it's an unfortunate, and then they got the point. And then other we see up to so far, of which as an record, then it's still going well. So do you think if fatigue is going to manage Jehovah having a sound in a game, 2 games in a row, no goal, no win? No, actually, that's not fatigue, because if you look at the 11, sometimes the squad, it's got a huge squad. I think 2 to 4 teams in Sundowns. Yes, we can say fatigue, but I don't think fatigue is it's a measure for now. No, thank you very much, my brother.